In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete an event in Google Calendar. Whether you're cleaning up past events or simply need to remove a meeting that no longer serves your schedule, the process is straightforward and can be done with just a few clicks. First, let's navigate to your Google Calendar. You can do this by opening your web browser and typing in calendar.google.com. Once it loads, you'll see your calendar view and it might be set to show you a day, week, or month at a time, depending on your preferences. Now take a moment to locate the event you want to delete. Remember, if your calendar is full of events, the search function can be quite handy. You can use the search bar at the top to find the specific event by name or other details. Once you've identified the event you want to delete, simply click on it. This will open up the event details in a new window. You'll notice several options here, but we are focusing specifically on deleting the event. Look for the trash can icon that's typically located at the top of the event details panel. Clicking on this icon is your next step in the deletion process. After clicking the trash can icon, a dialog box may appear, asking you to confirm if you want to delete the event. This confirmation step prevents accidental deletions, ensuring that you really want to remove this from your calendar. If it's a recurring event, you might be asked whether you want to delete just this single occurrence or the entire series. Choose the option that best fits your situation. Keep in mind that once an event is deleted, this action cannot be undone, so ensure you're sure about your decision. Once you select delete, the event will promptly disappear from your calendar and you won't see it in any of your views. It's permanently removed from your schedule, giving you that extra bit of clarity and organization. Sometimes the change might take a few moments to update across all devices if you're using Google Calendar on multiple platforms, but rest assured that the deletion is indeed processed. Also, if this was an event you were invited to, other invitees won't see it in their calendars either, and they'll receive a notification that the event has been cancelled. And there you have it. Deleting an event in Google Calendar is as quick and easy as that. By managing your calendar effectively, you can ensure better productivity and less clutter in your digital life. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips on managing your digital tools efficiently.